Hey all, you ever wonder how you can install one of these locks? This is Jimmy from jimmysdiy.com. Today I'm going to show you and walk you through the process how you can install one of those door locks for interior doors. I'm going to be using Defiant door lock knob today. That's meant for outside, exterior, and interior. The process is the same. The one that I have is basically a lock. For interior bedrooms and bathrooms, you would need to use one of those that you can open with a little tiny screwdriver or a penny to be in code with the US laws. Now, I am using with the key because obviously it's my office, home office, and I don't want the kids going in my room. So for today's project, you're gonna need a few things. Let me show you those. Alright, so I have my flathead and Phillips screwdriver and my impact drill to speed up the process. Um, Obviously, this is the bolt mechanism that goes into the door, and then these are the door lock knobs that goes onto the door. This is the strike plate here that goes on the door jamb, and then these are the screws that hold these knobs together. These are the screws that hold the strike plate together. So let's get started. Alright, so first thing first, we're gonna install this door strike plate. You want to make sure that the round edge and then this thing comes on the front side, so obviously the door close, if you obviously door closes from outside to inside, so this stays outside of the door jamb. So this is going to simply go over here and put the screws into the slots. For my process, I have a Phillips screwdriver. Now I could use the screwdriver right here and manually tightening it up, but I'm just gonna speed up this process. So I'm just gonna use my impact drill because it's all right. So that's good to go there, and let's get moving to install the bolt and then the door lock. Okay, so I have the door bolt lock mechanism, so it's gonna go in to the slot right here, and notice my the side that's edgy, it's toward the inside, because you don't want this to be this way because my door won't close this way. So this will give, when it strikes the door lock, it'll go in and then close. So obviously you're gonna install this. Again, 2 screws. I'm just gonna use my drill. Sorry, one of the screws is a little bad, so this has been used multiple times. Alright, so now we're gonna install the door knob lock, and I'm gonna show you how you can do that. Alright, so folks, this is the inside piece that I'm gonna hold on this side, and then this is the exterior, obviously, and then I'm gonna put this outside, and you could put the key facing up or down. That's up to you, however you want. I like to go this way, and you simply slot the pin and then the lock on the other end of the door, which I will show you. So what I did was I just slotted in, and then I want to bring it on the other side. And what you want to do is this pin goes into this lock knob here, this small knob. So you want, I don't know if you guys can see this in there, that there's little opening in there. So this basically, this thing needs to go in there. So I set mine to like vertical, so the door lock could go in. And then, okay, so this basically is free, this flange, and then you're just gonna use this, push it in, make sure these screw holes align together, and then you're just gonna run these screws in. With the newer models, it's a little tedious because obviously the doorknobs are a little fatter, so you just gotta hand tighten these a little bit. Okay, I got some done, so I'm just gonna hold the door with one of my foot, and I'm gonna start tightening these screws. This is fairly long screw, so you gotta just keep going until it gets tightened up. Okay, my screws are tight, so let's rotate. The lock works, and let's just check it at this point. Alright, so closes, open, closes, and that's it. And that was it, folks. That was quite simple. So all it takes is 5 to 10 minutes maximum of your time. This is how you could change the door lock knob, and you can save yourself a few bucks. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.